What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? We're out here doing some wheeling. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Hanging out with my buddy Adam. We're in the Jeep from earlier this year. We're out looking for guns and doing all kinds of good stuff. We got a little stuck, so we brought out the winch. But I figured might as well get some content for you guys while we're waiting. The motor's going to the machine shop early this week. So until that happens, just kind of hanging out. Stay tuned. Ow. The old girl. Snowball fight. Still gotta get this spike going. Made a lot of good noises last time.
It did not.
She stay?
Yeah. Rest right on the
There we go. Jeep life.
Jeep life.
Value craft? Nice.
One of the best for the Jeep.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Thank you, sir. That was about the most redneck thing. Eating eggs, starting Jeeps. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree.
She's tired.
She's tired. Just woke her up out of dead sleep. Bringing snow on the ground. All right. We got action.
Tired old girl.
Yeah, she is tired. Here, let me get on the other side. Oh. All right, we'll let her warm up here. We probably should at least spin it out.
You need a snow brush and have hands.
Exactly. All those good smells. Ah. God, I love this thing. You good? Yep. This way. All right, we'll full send. Yeah, it's tired to stop. Pull out the winch. You want to do a winch?
Yeah.
We gotta use it anyways.
I don't know what I'm gonna attach it to though.
I have no idea. All right. Yeah, it should be. Some friendly people out hiking. Or whatever they're doing. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're just hiking. But no, they said, what's going on? You guys need help? I'm like, nah. We got this. Jeep life.
Alright, I have a J hook and everything. I can pull you back with if you need to.
Awesome.
Try to at least. I have a little Jeep, but I'm not.
Yeah. Yeah.
You in 4 low? Yeah. You can snap that tree.
Is the wind still cranking?
Yeah, it's trying to.
Yeah, it's trying.
But you're on a big ice mound right now. There you go, there you go.
There you go.
Give it to her.
Yeah.
Pulling your winch.
I've been holding it the whole time.
Yeah, bring it in. There you go.
Keep going.
Yep.
Let the winch do the work.
Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
Sweet. Hey, hung up? Yeah.
I was gonna go up there.
Oh, look at that bad boy. Nice. Hell yeah, brother. Look at this guy go.
I was making sure he wasn't stuck.
Yeah.
I smell something burning.
A little Jeep that could.
It's not even bad. Look both ways before crossing the road.
Go, there we go.
All right, let's test these bad boys out. Give it a.
Oh yeah.
Are they on? Oh my goodness, what a beautiful difference.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Listen to that sweet Dodge. Let's get some food.
Food.
Wow, Willie's!
My bonnet that one shot it immediately.
Yeah. Oh, the weather hasn't worked out for us.
At the stop sign, you're gonna take a right.
Like this? Or like, I don't know. I've never dual wielded before.
You haven't?
No.
Really?
No.
Shit, dude, you're gonna have fun.
All right, ready?
Go for it, man. It's fun, right?
Hit the steel.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you did. Alright, which ones are we using?
I don't know which one.
Sorry, I missed that guy. This? These two?
Ryan, you're an 19. Adam, you're an 18.
Okay.
It's gonna be out of road for me.
Thank you. Alright, buddy. Good luck.
I mean, I'm short, but
back up. You go forward, let go of it. You don't need to worry about that green button. Just shift.